A couple noticed something strange while they were sleeping. Suddenly, there was loud knocking on the door outside their quiet house. They had no choice but to stop what they were doing and check who the annoying person was. When they opened the door, they saw a girl standing in the dark at the door. Neither of them recognized her, but the girl asked if her friend was there. They thought she was being weird. Daisy said they were about to sleep. After hearing that, the girl slowly walked away. Jeff thought it was really strange. They had come all the way out to this remote place for a vacation, so why was a girl suddenly showing up? Before he could figure it out, he turned around and saw the girl staring at him from not far away. Daisy got scared. They turned on the small light by the door to get a better look, but the girl had vanished into thin air. They didn't think too much about it and decided to watch some TV to relax. But soon, Jeff's asthma suddenly flared up. The worst part was, his inhaler had been left in the car. With no choice, Jeff went to the car to get it. Unbeknownst to him, Daisy was about to face danger while he was away. Daisy thought Jeff must have come back, so she quickly put her phone on the table and went to open the door. But when she got close, she noticed something wasn't right. The knocking was much harder, like someone was trying to break in.